Hi, I'm Adam with Versatrans, the best in custom transfers and custom vinyl. And I want to talk to you about our full color fusion transfers and how they can be a great fit for your growing t-shirt business.
If you're looking for durability and that soft to the touch feel but need a high amount of color and detail, then Full Color Fusion is a great choice. Like EPT, our FCF transfers are custom heat transfers that allow you to place artwork onto t-shirts and other garments using only a heat press. It's a hybrid technology combining high-quality digital printing and the use of plastisol ink. It can produce shading, textures, and patterns that can't be accomplished with EPT. Gang as many designs as you can onto our 11 3/4 by 18-inch sheets. If it fits, it prints. Place your order by 12 noon, approve your design by 6 p.m., and your order will ship in 3 business days. Then just cut them out, press, and peel. We're here to help you grow your t-shirt business. With the fastest turnaround time in the industry, long-lasting durability, and no screen or setup fees, we're confident that Versatrans is your best choice for speed, quality, and affordability.
Now, if you have any questions about Full Color Fusion transfers, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer. You can also visit us at www.versatrans.com, or if you like talking with humans as much as we do, give us a call at 888-414-7604. I'm Adam with Versatrans. Thanks for watching.